Welcome, transfer students, to the College of Engineering at Cal State Long Beach. My name's Natalie Smirkanich, and I'm the first-year coordinator here at the College of Engineering Engineering Student Success Center. During the summer, the Engineering Student Success Center Academic Advising Office will help you coordinate services to assist you in your transition to Cal State Long Beach. Please note that your COE Faculty Major Advisor will be your primary advising resource. Here are the steps to starting your journey at Cal State Long Beach.
Your first step should be accepting your admissions offer by May 1st. Once you have decided to attend CSULB, yay, go Beach, the next step is to sign up for your SOAR by June 1st. SOAR stands for Student Orientation and Advising and Registration, which will consist of 2 reservation dates. One will be for your orientation workshop, and the next one will be for your registration. Please visit the SOAR Experience Overview website for further assistance. Not completing this requirement might jeopardize your admission to the university, so it's very important for you to complete this.
And attend your in-person or virtual orientation workshop. Here you'll learn about campus life and resources available to help you succeed at Cal State Long Beach. Next, you'll meet with your faculty advisor and the ESCC team during the advising and registration session. It's optional, but highly recommended. Keep checking your email for Zoom links and other important information. You can schedule long-term advising after the semester begins. Please note most transfer credits won't show until July, so advisors won't be able to give accurate course recommendations until then. Plan to meet with your faculty advisor individually once the fall semester begins. ESSC advisors are focused on continuing students over the summer. Don't forget to pay your tuition and get ready for your first day of classes on Monday, August 25th. Visit the incoming COE transfer website regularly to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and welcome to CSULB.